Crude oil price is approaching $100 per barrel again, but this time it's not just economics. It is the result of war, geopolitics, and the limits of international law. Nearly 30% of the world's oil supply passes through the Middle East, especially through the Strait of Hormuz. When conflicts threaten this region, markets start to panic. Even the risk of disruption can push the oil prices sharply upward. Under the United Nations Charter, the use of force between states is strictly restricted. Article 2.4 prohibits any kind of aggression. Force is legally allowed only in two situations. One is self-defense under Article 51, and the second is authorization from the UN Security Council. This framework was created after the World War II to prevent such global conflicts as is happening right now. But here is the uncomfortable reality. International law has a structural weakness which everyone in the world is now seeing clearly. Major powers in the world like the USA hold veto authority in the UN Security Council. If those same powers are involved in a conflict, enforcement mechanisms can become politically blocked. So a law does exist, but enforcement becomes fragile and even non-existent in many cases. If conflict spreads further across the region, global shipping routes could become unsafe, flying across this region would become unsafe, energy prices would also spike worldwide, and countries that are dependent on imported oil like India would feel a major shock. International law was meant to restrain such powers, but the real question today is, when the most powerful states ignore it, who is actually able to enforce the law then? And is international law made only for the weak countries and not for the strong ones?